Hi, it's Ted. My dad Gary's just asked me to send you the details on this truck behind me. So, like the other one supplied to you guys, this is a D-Max V-Cross. It's automatic and it already has the roller on the back fitted. So this is, as you can see, 2025 model year. There's a few subtle changes that have happened since your last purchase. It's now got wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. The lights have slightly changed on the front to LED in the back. But same motor, reliable 1.9 diesel, goes in the grafter as well, 6-speed auto. Obviously it's in this striking blue with the contrast metallic grey door handles and wing mirrors. It's got like this dark shadow grille in it, which you might be used to. And again, as I say, it's got the LED lights. Alloys, 18s, all leather, heated seats, electric seats on the driver's side. As I say, it's got the big screen now. I'll send you a quote over on this one with your Ranger in trade. Cheers.